Hey guys, welcome to the Elementor Pro widget tutorial. Today we are going to discuss the content switcher widget that's been added to Elementor Pro 7.0 update. Spoiler alert, you may be familiar with tabs and switcher widgets of Elementor that resemble the content switcher widget, but the unique aspect of content switcher is that the number of content you can onboard here along with the use cases. Now, let us start exploring the widget. Let's drag and drop the widget inside the page. It's basically a switcher module that you can flip both sides to change between content. By default, there is a primary switch and a secondary switch, which let you display two separate content over the same canvas using the switcher. The first option in the settings is the style option containing 9 unique switcher styles and a button style. Selecting the button style converts the titles into switcher buttons like this. They work as individual switches and let your users change between content by clicking on them. The rest of the switch styles offer various switch animations. From the options, you can add more switch items by clicking the Add Item button. Now click on an existing item box. Inside you'll find a title field and a content type option that lets you select your content. Let's edit the title first. You can either put content in the field below or simply choose the template option from the content type drop-down menu. Then you can search and select your desired templates like how we did, and the switcher will show it on the canvas. In addition, you can add an icon beside the switcher title from the options. And of course, keep the active button on if you want your current item displayed on the switcher content. Now let's configure the second item as per our requirements. Once done, try switching between the content and see how it goes. The additional options section has an alignment option for the switcher, and you can put a badge over the items with customizable badge text and offset values. Configure the offset values to place the badge according to your demand. And that's all for the layout controls. Now let's explore the style options in the Style tab. First, the very top section here lets you adjust the space between the switch titles through this scroll bar. In case you put icons on the titles, there is an icon spacing adjuster here. With the typography option, you can easily customize the font style for the switcher title texts. After that comes the text color for normal and active modes. Just put separate colors to tell them apart easily. There's also a text shadow and text stroke option available. Then in the switcher section, you can customize the border radius values to sharpen or round the corners of the switcher. The margin fields will help you reposition them better. Then you can change the color of the background and switch head of the switcher. Also, you can configure the colors for hover. Here, the switcher bar is the area behind the switch and the titles, while the content part is the inner content for both switches. Look through these sections if you require more detail on the switch appearance. Finally, from the badge section, you can customize the badge text color and then background color. You might want to customize the typography to make the font style. Now, let's minimize the controls and see the finished layout. That's how quickly you can make such a strong content switcher for your website using Elementor Pro. And that's all for today. Hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel and get updates on new tutorials. Stay safe and see you next time.